So I'm artist Harry Meadley, and today's the sort of final celebration for a project I've been doing this summer here at Touchstones in Rochdale called Free for All.
Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow.
And essentially that's the idea. It's a free for all for anyone who lives in the borough and a few people wider than that, to be able to essentially take over the gallery, or if they want to exhibit their own work, put on their own events, performances, workshops.
We all need somebody to lead us.
I'm Mary from the Nigeria Community Association. I'm the founder and the chair. It's a great privilege for us to be part of the Free for All event. We met a lot of people. We were able to do a lot of sessioning here, tie and dye, drumming session, how to make a showcase.
So I'm Mark Doyle. I'm the head of arts, engagement and heritage for your trust. Harry and I have been having conversations about how to make galleries more inclusive and more accessible for local communities.
I'm Catherine Hill. I'm a textile artist, and I've brought some work behind me that is all hand embroidered, and they're narratives and stories all about my childhood growing up in Rochdale.
Today's been a great celebration where a lot of the people who've been involved have come back or have done things for the first time, whether that's sort of Mary from the Nigeria Community Association. We've had Catherine and Amanda in Gallery 4, Joga Singh doing an amazing vocal performance, Voice Assembly.
Hi, it's Anthony right here from the Yorkshire Entertainment Awards. We had a great opportunity to come and do some DJ workshops with the young people last week. I'm hoping it can grow bigger than this and just expand and kind of have different influences from everywhere, because that's what's important.
We've had 7 weeks of well over 100 people bringing in artworks, I think 50 plus events and activities, exhibitions, all sorts of things, all generated by people in the Rochdale community who've come forward saying, this is what I want to do.